In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data in Chrome. So the short way to go about this is just to press Ctrl Shift Delete on your keyboard and you'll be taken to the delete browsing data screen. Now here you can choose the time range for which you want to delete the data for. So here we have last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days. You can also click on more and select last 4 weeks or all time. So let's say we select all time. What you want to do in order to delete browsing history is to ensure that this box here is checked. So mine is checked already, yours may not be checked, so you just click on this to check it. And then in case you want to delete cookies and other site data, you can also check this box. And if you want to delete this also, you can just click on this and check this box. But for this video, we're not going to do that, so I'm going to uncheck, and then because we just want to clear browsing history, I'm going to come down here and click on delete data. Now once I click on delete data, you see deleted, right? So that is it. Our browsing data has been deleted. As you can see here, it says none, right? So if we go to all time here, it says none, which means that we do not have browsing history anymore. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.